Alright, hope everyone's doing okay. So a bit of a question I want to ask people. Kind of like a bit of a survey. I want to just find something out. I know what my opinion on this is, but I'll ask you. So if you, say tonight or today, had to go into your local woods or the woods you normally go to and trap an animal, right? Not somewhere far flung, but where you normally go. If you went to those woods, had to trap an animal today, making a primitive trap, what is the likelihood that you could find more than one massive, great, big rock, big enough to dispatch, say, an animal definitely bigger than a squirrel, maybe bigger than a rabbit? So what's the likelihood that you could find a massive rock? Not just one, no, because that's going to be pointless. You're going to want to find a load so you can make loads of traps. But what's the likelihood you could find a load of massive great rocks easily? Because every wood that I go in, the likelihood of me finding massive great rocks to make deadfalls big enough to get, say, a rabbit is virtually impossible. I've never ever come across massive rocks, ever. Not unless they've been dumped there by someone else. That's just me personally. I can go to two different woods at least quite easily, and finding massive great rocks would be, be pointless trying to look for them. But logs and branches, completely different matter. Because I think in a survival situation, this is what I'm thinking, it would be a lot easier to just dismiss rocks. Just don't bother, unless you know you can find them and you know where you're going, it's going to have loads. I think it'd be better to do log traps and things like that. Which most of them are going to be the similar setup, but you could do different kind of designs with each one. But for me, finding massive, great big rocks, heavy and big enough to dispatch, larger, small game, it'd be quite hard to find them really. So I just want to know whether that's the case with most people. Right, anyway, so answer that question in the comments, let me know, and then find out then. Right, oh yeah, while I'm here, I've also done another book. I'll do a proper video on this, but I'll just show you the cover so you know what's coming. So I've done this book, Survival Bow and Arrow Making. I've kept it kind of simple book, like survival type stuff, not going too technical and that, because you don't need that in a survival situation. You just want to get something done. So that's on Amazon now. I'll do a proper video of this later so you can see exactly what's in it and what to expect. Alright, anyway, so answer me that question. What's the likelihood of you finding massive great rocks in the woods to trap an animal? Easily. Alright, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.